Namaste, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lakshmi Anjana Sanku. I'm excited to see you here in the day 2 of our Python programming series. In our last video, we introduced about the Python, and today's video we are going to cover some topic as a Python comments. So let's dive right in and continue our Python journey together. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel for more videos and click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you. Comments. Before knowing the creating a comment, we should know the uses of the comments. Comments can be used to explain the Python code and to make the code more readable and to prevent the execution when testing code. Here comments are starts with hash and Python will ignore them. For example, hash this is a comment print hello world. The output is hello world. No, comments can be placed at the end of the line. That is, this comment is placed at this end of the line. It will also execute as hello world only. No, comment does not have to be texted that explains the code. It can also be used to prevent Python from the execution code. That is, for example, hash print hello world and print cheers and mate. Now, this is only comment, not a code line. This is only comment. Now, print cheers mate. The output is cheers mate. Next, multi-line comments. Python does not have a syntax for multi-line comments. Multi-line comment you could insert a hash for each line. These are multi-line comments. We should use hash in every line of the comment. These are the comments and print hello world. Or not quite as intense, you can use a multi-line string. Since Python will ignore the strings literals that are not assigned to a variable, you can add a multi-line string or triple quotes in your code and place your comment inside it. For example, these are the triple quotes of multi-line comment and end of the also triple quotes. In another, this is in another way. Printf hello world. As long as string is not assigned to a variable, Python will read the code but then ignore it and you have made a multi-line comment. So many students have this doubt, that is, does Python use headers? The Python header file are typically installed with Python only. There is no need of the header files and there is no need of the main function in Python language. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.